nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark, can't get enough.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be another makeup tutorial. This time I'm going to be using Secret Garden Rendezvous. This is one of the other palettes from the Wet n Wild collection. I just figured I'll use them all on camera instead of just, you know, so everyone can see how they work, and then whichever one you like, you want to see again, then I'll do it again. So this is what this one looks like. It's really pretty. I'm really excited to try this. It's like a blue purple, like it's really pretty. And so I'm excited. I have no idea what look I'm gonna create with this though, but I'm excited. Enough talking, let's get started. So I do have my Just My Look palette here, and you might see the back of it, but it's only because I need the mirror. The mirror is great in this palette, it's nice and big. And obviously there's no mirror here. So the first shade I'm going to take, they have no names. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to use one of my favorite floofy brushes, my unicorn brush, and I'm going to just take it . Now the next shade I'm going to be using, excuse the noise in the background, is this one right here. Again, they have no names. I'm going to use this one first. I am very aware of the ugly faces that I make when I'm doing my makeup. It's totally fine. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of this shade and put it in the outer corner just to darken it up, deepen it up a little bit. Just take a little bit, not too much. Okay, that's a lot, but you know, oh, this brush holds this well. So I got it on the brush. I'm just gonna pop it in the corner a little bit. Okay, maybe a little more than that. It showed up well on the swatches, but I can't really see it. Okay, I'm gonna try another brush. Anastasia Beverly Hills, maybe. See if that works. Just a little bit. Let's see. I mean, for this to be such a dark color, or maybe it's just not showing up in this mirror, like I can't see it. Okay, I started to see it a little bit, so maybe it was the brush, which is weird. And then we'll blend that out a little, not too much, just a little bit. And I gotta do the same thing on the other side. And yes, I am watching The Amazing World of Gumball. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm watching it. Don't judge me. I watch cartoons a lot. Heck, usually I'm watching episodes of Johnny Test on Netflix, but today I decided I'll watch actual TV because I'm usually watching Netflix. Okay, so this is how I wanted it. So this brush is better for this color. I have no idea what my dog is downstairs doing. That's why if you saw my lips moving in the previous clip, scene, whatever you want to call it, I was talking to her. Because when I'm filming, she likes to come in here and, you know, try to get me to touch her. Alright, and then for the fourth shade, which is that champagne gold, it's like a champagne gold shimmer shade, this one right here, I am going to put that obviously in the front of my face. Sunny, what are you doing? Hi, boo. Here she comes. So I'm just taking the shimmer shade and putting it where there's nothing. Sounds like it's really windy today, so it sounds like someone's trying to come in and it's freaking her out. Okay, this is pigmented AF. A lot more pigmented than expected. I didn't think it, because most shimmers I have that look like this, like especially in the Morphe 35 OS palette, they don't show up like this. Like, I'm shook a little bit, little bit. Okay, maybe it's a lot of it. Although this side looks brighter. So let me try the other side of the brush. Even it out. Okay. Now of course I'm gonna go off camera and do everything else. Come back and lower lash line and lip and we'll be done. So as you can see, I literally did everything else off camera. Now for the lower lash line. Why did I say that like that? I'm going to take these two shades. Real simple, real easy. And this brush. And this one. These two brushes. The bottom two shades. And I'm going to take a little bit of water. I have some water here that I use for everything but drinking. I know that's weird. Take a little bit of the water, wet the tip of the brush, dry it off on the back of my hand. Take that champagne shade. Oh, these look nice. Like, you know how when you wet an eyeshadow and it looks all gross? Like, like nothing happened. It doesn't look, wow. Well, because there are some eyeshadows that I wet, even the shimmer ones, and they look gross. So apparently these work really well wet. Well, the shimmers do. I have yet to wet a matte shade, so I don't know. But this shimmer looks amazing. So if you do get this palette or any of them, the lightest shades in there, I feel like if you wet it, it comes out really pretty. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but it does come out really pretty. And I did not put any mascara on because I'm waiting for my liner to dry. Because my liner is not dry. Taking a little bit of my Hello Gregory unicorn frosting and putting it on top just for the extra shimmer, I guess. Actually, those two together look really pretty. I think I need a little more Hello Gregory on my left eye. Okay, now they're even in terms of shimmer. Oh, that's cute. Now for my lips. I guess I realized I didn't do my nose highlight. I'm gonna do that off camera because, you know, no sense in showing that everyone does it their own way. So I'm going to go get the lipstick. Well, I have to get the lip liner, but this is the lipstick. This is the shade Bud Romance. I keep saying Bad Romance, not Lady Gaga. Bud Romance. I'm going to go get my liner and do my lips. So I have my Duke's lip liner. I use this often, and if you see the black dots on my face, this mascara that I decided it was cute, so we're gonna leave it. Don't judge me. So I'm gonna take Duke's first, and then the Bud Romance. And this is the finished look. I actually like it. I really like it. I really like that right there. I'm just happy accidents. Happy accidents are real, people. I will say that this lip, like when I swatched it, it looked really pretty, but going on my lips, it's very like light. Pretty like I had to dip it like 2 times, and then the second time I dipped, I had to make sure there was a lot on all sides of the dough brush, just to, you know, flip, like you saw me flip it. But other than that, I like it. I really do. I'm probably gonna put some Fenty gloss on top for the pictures, because it's not like, this is just the lipstick. This isn't the matte one. This is just their high shine lipstick. But like, I don't know. It feels comfortable though. Like, I feel like I should put gloss. I don't know. I feel like I need gloss. I want gloss. I need gloss in my life. But that's just me. That's it. That's all for this video. You're gonna see this look again, because I have to film another video, because I've been helping take care of my grandmother. I've been sitting with her and whatnot, so sometimes I haven't been able to film. Like Friday, I couldn't film a face chart Friday because I was at my grandma's. So I might do 2 face charts this week. I don't know. Well, then again, if I'm going back on Friday, then maybe pre-film it. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye.